Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie mash and liquor. We will start by preparing the savory meat pies, then move on to creating the creamy mashed potatoes. Finally, I will guide you through making the distinctive green liquor sauce, ensuring you achieve an authentic and delicious meal. This traditional dish is simpler to master than you might think, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. For the pies, begin by browning about 500 grams of minced beef with finely chopped onions and your preferred seasonings. Once cooked, let the filling cool slightly. Next, line your individual pie dishes with a good quality short crust pastry. Fill each with the beef mixture, then cover with another pastry lid, crimping the edges. Bake them in a preheated oven until they are golden brown and piping hot, which usually takes around 25 minutes. Now, let's tackle the mash and liquor. Boil about 1 kilogram of starchy potatoes until they are incredibly tender, then mash them with a generous knob of butter and a splash of milk until smooth and creamy. For the liquor, gently heat some good quality beef or vegetable stock, then thicken it with a cornflour slurry. Stir in plenty of fresh, chopped parsley to give it that signature green color and vibrant flavor. To serve your authentic pie, mash, and liquor, place a warm pie on a plate next to a hearty portion of creamy mashed potatoes. Then, generously ladle the bright green liquor over both the pie and the mash. This creates a visually appealing and incredibly comforting meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. Enjoy your delicious, homemade classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.